Hey everyone, in today's 2-minute tutorial we're going to be learning about the average function in SQL. So, what is the average function? The average function allows you to take the average of observations or rows in your data. The average is used within the select statement. And you can use a where clause with the average function to limit your calculation. So let's take a look at how we actually use it. So here we have our country table with a list of countries and a bunch of attributes about those countries. Let's say we wanted to look at the average life expectancy across all countries. We would use select, average, and then we put the variable that we want to average in the brackets. So here it's life expectancy. So we do average life expectancy from country, which means pull this data from our country table. So let's run and see what we get. So there you have it. We know the average life expectancy across all countries is 66. Let's say we wanted to use a where clause to just look at the life expectancy where the continent is Europe. So average life expectancy in Europe. So here we'll just simply add where continent equals Europe. And I have another video on the where clause if you want to check that out, see how you use it. So here we see that the average life expectancy in Europe is 75. Let's add another one. Let's say we also want to look at the average population. We separate by a column and do average, put the variable in the brackets, in this case population, and now hit run. You see here how the results are called average and average2. Not quite clear what this means, so let's use an alias to make that clearer. So we'll do as average life expectancy for the first one, and as average population for the second one. And this will just make our results a lot clearer, really useful when you have two calculations. So here you have average life expectancy of 75 and the average population of about 15-16 million. So that's a quick overview of the average function in SQL. Please leave any questions in the comments and I'll get right back to you.